Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the nitty-gritty of your favorite gadgets. Today, we're tackling a super common problem: why your JBL speaker is making that frustrating noise in 2025. Whether it's a buzzing sound, static interference, or something more mysterious, don't worry, I've got the lowdown to help you fix it quickly and get back to enjoying your music. First off, let's talk about the most likely culprits. One big reason for noise is dust and debris buildup. Over time, your speaker can accumulate dirt in its grill or ports, which interferes with the sound quality. To fix this, grab a soft brush or compressed air and gently clean it out. Make sure your speaker is turned off first to avoid any mishaps. Another common issue is loose connections. If you're using a wired setup, check the cables for any fraying or poor connections. For wireless models, ensure your Bluetooth pairing is stable. Interference from other devices like Wi-Fi routers or microwaves can cause static. Try moving your speaker away from electronics and resetting the connection by turning it off and on again. Don't overlook software problems. In 2025, JBL speakers often come with firmware updates that fix bugs. Head to the JBL app or website, update your speaker's software, and see if that clears things up. Also, if your speaker is overheating from prolonged use, give it a break and let it cool down. Overheating can lead to distorted sounds. Battery issues might be at play too, especially for portable models. A low battery can cause erratic behavior, so charge it fully and monitor the battery health. And if you've tried all this without success, it could be a hardware defect. Time to reach out to JBL support for a warranty check. There you have it. Simple steps to silence that noise and restore your speaker's crystal clear sound. Remember, regular maintenance goes a long way in preventing these issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.